The 1984 Lotus M90 X100 is one of the rarest cars ever created by Lotus. Only a single prototype was built, making it a unique chapter in the company's history. Originally conceived as a successor to the Lotus Elan, the project began in the late 1970s when Lotus sought a more affordable sports car to complement the Elite, E-Class, Excel, and Esprit. The project gained momentum in 1981 when designer Oliver Winterbottom returned to Lotus after working for TVR. Winterbottom, known for the Lotus Elite and Eclat, developed a series of designs for the new model. Early proposals were fixed-head coupes, but after several revisions, the design evolved significantly. Lotus intended to use Toyota mechanical components, continuing a successful partnership that had already supplied parts for the Excel. Lotus founder Colin Chapman remained unconvinced that an entry-level sports car would generate sufficient profit. Following his death in December 1982, the company entered a period of financial uncertainty, and the project stalled. It was later revived under new management and renamed X100, although many enthusiasts still refer to it as the M90. In 1984, Lotus authorized construction of a full prototype. The final car was redesigned as a convertible and built to an unusually high standard for a prototype. It featured a steel backbone chassis, fiberglass bodywork, right-hand drive configuration, a small rear seat, and a Toyota 4A GE 1.6-liter TWAM 16-valve engine paired with a Toyota 5-speed manual transmission. Weighing less than 2,000 pounds, about 907 kilograms, the car embodied Lotus's philosophy of lightweight performance. Unlike many concept cars, the M90 X100 was fully functional. It included production-style equipment such as lights, wipers, brakes, a jack, owner's manual, and sales literature. However, Lotus shifted its focus to the front-wheel drive Elan M100, and the X100 project was abandoned. The lone prototype remained stored at the Lotus factory in Hethel until 1998, when financial pressures led Lotus to auction part of its historic collection. Purchased by an American collector, the car was shipped to Texas. Over the following years, it underwent a comprehensive restoration, including a complete chassis refurbishment and body restoration. Today, the Lotus M90 X100 survives as the only example ever built. It represents the final Lotus road car development overseen during Colin Chapman's era and remains one of the most fascinating what-if stories in British automotive history.